Mercedes-Benz has redesigned an icon, but it might not look like it. Hi, I'm Brandon Turkis at the 2018 Detroit Auto Show, and this is our first look at the 2019 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. The Geländewagen carries on the boxy, brutalist styling it pioneered in the 1970s, but the rigid adherence to this iconic design hides some of the changes for 2019. Mercedes added more emotive headlights and a dark, militaristic take on the brand's current grille design. It's more than 2 inches longer and almost 5 inches taller than the G-Wagon it'll replace. Under that skin, the G-Class remains true to its hardcore roots. There are 3 locking differentials, a 2-speed transfer case, and for off-road purists, only a single electronic setting for off-roading. Unlike a Range Rover and its bevy of off-road driving modes, the G-Wagon's G-Mode traction control setting is all drivers have to work with. But while this isn't a big departure from past G-Wagons, the 2019 model's new independent front suspension is. After 40 years with a solid axle up front, Mercedes says the new front suspension improves ground clearance while on the move, and along with the available adaptive dampers, promises better handling on paved roads and at higher speeds. A 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 is a carryover item, producing 416 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque in the base G550. AMG variants will follow. This engine works alongside a new 9-speed automatic. Mercedes went wild on the inside. There are 2 12.3-inch screens available, taking inspiration directly from the E-Class and S-Class. One serves up infotainment and navigation information. The second optional screen takes the place of a gauge cluster. We can even see the cup holders. We live in exciting times, people. Mercedes-Benz hasn't announced pricing for the 2019 G-Class yet, but when it does, we don't expect it to be available for less than $125,000. Reporting for Motor Authority, I'm Brandon Turkis. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube.